So I got a lot of contacts and a lot of inquiries from people. What does it mean to set up a shortlet apartment? What are those things you need to do? So presently, for some of you must have been watching my video, this particular house was not like this as last year when my client purchased it. So what we're doing presently right now is that we're getting this house ready for shortlet apartment. So presently we are doing the DSTV installation. We did several other switches, as you can see, the POP, the lightning. So this is actually Glory City, and I want to say a very big congratulations to her. Presently the price of this have obviously doubled. She bought this last year for 45 million when it sold, and presently the worth of this property in this axis is over 80 million. And in the course of this video, I'm going to be showing you other projects that the company is doing. So you want to watch this video to the end. As you can see, this furnishing was done by her. Look at the house, look at the title. Of course, you will be seeing every other thing as everything goes by. So now I'm going to be showing you the available project in the Ikeja GRA with 1 year payment plan. We have a 2-bedroom that is currently selling for 30 million. We have a 4-bedroom terrace that is available for 70 million shell and 80 million complete. And of course, it's going to be the same size, the same quality, not with the furniture also, I beg. So we're going to be showing you that. So you, like I said, you want to watch this video to the end, and I can't wait to make and say my congratulations message to you. So I hope you're enjoying the tour. Let's go check it out. All right, so on our inspection tour today for Ikeja GRA, I'm going to be showing you a beautiful edifice by the same developer that built my client's shortlet apartment. Of course, when my client bought last year, it was not even at this stage. The developer is trusted. As you can see how beautiful my client house is looking. So I'm offering an opportunity to own a 4-bedroom terrace duplex. Rental value for terrace duplexes in the Ikeja GRA for annually is 4.5 million. And if you want to do a shortlet, you won't charge anything less than 180 to 200,000 on the daily basis if you are putting up a 4-bedroom terrace duplex. So the beautiful thing is that it comes with a 1-year payment plan. So for 1 year, you can own and spread your payment comfortably. Initial deposit is just 10 million. And of course, I know you're wondering, is this safe for investment? Yes, the document we have here is a certificate of occupancy, and of course, everything is in order. So this is a very good investment opportunity, and with the fact that we have international airport coming up on this axis, yes, like it's like 45 minutes drive away from here. You know the rush about Ikeja, you know the rush about Ajao Estate. Trust me, this place is not going to be an exception. So I just wanted to see the project. Okay, so we have just 2 units available here for sale. Initial deposit is 10 million. You can spread payment for 1 year. If you want the carcass, it's a 5 million. If you want the fully finished, is 75 million. 10 million initial deposit, you can spread. Trust me. So let's see other project that we have here. All right, smart investor, I'm here at Glory City, which is actually called the 24-unit 2-bedroom apartment. I want to say a very big congratulations to everybody who have actually keyed into this project. Of course, it comes with a certificate of occupancy, and presently we only have just maybe 1 or 2 units left that is available for just 45 million. So I think it's just, yes, two units available. So this presently right now comes with a 1 year payment plan, and look at it, it's right behind the popular choice garden estate. And please zoom it, that's avocado apartment there. Look at development everywhere. So this is Ikeja GRA. If you're interested in this, you want to be part of this, you should be part of this. Okay, you should key into. So we also have another 2-bedroom apartment project coming up here in the same Ikeja GRA. That one is available. Of course, we are selling just carcass. You really want to finish it by yourself. We're selling for 30 million. Yes, 30 million. In case you want to key in before we launch that one, you can key in with just 2 million naira initial deposit. It's going to be, it won't be this store, okay? It's not going to be this store. It's just going to be, I think what we have there is just 9 units. Yes, 9 units of 2-bedroom apartment in this same Ikeja GRA. So in case you are interested and you want to have your own apartment right here inside Ikeja GRA, this wonderful, lovely community, you know what to do now. Start giving me a call. So we still have just 1 more location before we call it a wrap. Are you curious as I am? Let's go. All right, so this is our tour, Glory City tour here in Ikeja GRA. I wanted to do a comprehensive video. As you can see, that is the Ikeja GRA Express. Okay, that's the Express, Lekki Expressway. Okay, and this is inside GRA, and this property is just 1 minute from the Express, as you can see. So this is also another 4-bedroom terrace duplex. The difference from this and that other one is that this one is facing that express, which makes it a hot cake. Imagine what you would do if you want to earn rent here. For 4-bedroom terrace here cannot be rented for anything less than, let's say, 5 million. So the beautiful thing now is that the certificate of title document is C of O, and it's an off plan. So if you can afford for your project to be completed next year, this project is for you. And of course, from here to the proposed international airport is less than 45 minutes, which makes it good. And of course, you can see everybody right now is converting their house to shortlet. And if you want to, if you still have the intention of making Lagos a retirement home, if you are in diaspora, this is for you. If you are a family who is looking forward to moving to his own house, let's say 1 year from today, this is for you. If you are that business oriented personality who wants to have several apartments, or you don't have an investment in terrace, 4-bedroom terrace in your investment portfolio here in Lagos, Nigeria, trust me, this is also for you. 12-month payment plan. The payment plan doesn't have carry interest. 80 million 12 months, 75 million 12 months if you are going for carcass, 80 million if you are going for a fully finished wonderful project. Remember what my client did? She bought her home when it was like this, and today she's smiling to the bank. The developer is credible. I've worked with him, and of course he's also a God-fearing person, so he's going to deliver. So this is it. So this is our final road tour for this apartment tour here in Ikeja GRA, Lekki, Lagos. So you can see that's the express. I wanted you to see it again, and the express, your next house. For more information, give me a call. Bye for now.